Assalamualaikum everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about cabbage rolls that I made for Mother's Day. Now this is also kind of an Arabian dish, but I added my twist to it. What I did first is I took some cabbage and I just took off the leaves, and I'm putting it inside some boiling water, almost boiling water, and I'm going to boil my cabbage leaves for about 5 minutes just so that it softens up a little bit. Okay, so now that is done, in a pan I'm going to take some oil, probably like around 2 tablespoons of oil, and I added around a teaspoon of zira, cumin, and then I roasted it. And then once that's done, I added around half a medium sized onion, and I'm going to cook both of these things till the onions change color. Okay, so now that that's done, I cooked it for around 2 minutes. I'm going to add around 4 to 6 cloves of chopped garlic into it, and we're going to cook this until the raw flavor of garlic goes away. That's around, again, another 2 minutes. Now that 2 minutes have passed, I took around 1 medium-sized green bell pepper, and I chopped it up into small pieces, and I added that into the mixture, and we're going to cook it for around a minute, and then we're going to add our carrots. I took around 1 small carrot, and I again chopped that up as well, not very thick pieces, just bite-sized, really small pieces. And then once the minute has gone away, we're going to add our chopped carrots like I'm about to do. Now in go our carrots, and we're going to mix this mixture up, and we're going to cook this slightly until the carrots are going to soften a little bit. After adding the carrots, I'm going to add around a teaspoon of salt, and to spice things up a little bit, I'm going to be adding around a teaspoon of red chili powder. The flavorings is, hasbe zaiqa, whatever you like. You can, increase or decrease the amounts as well. And next we're going to be adding kalwanji, क्योंकि Supreme Court से हमें order आया हुआ है to add kalwanji in whatever I make. And for those who don't know, Supreme Court जो है is another name for my mom at her house. When things like this come, we call her the Supreme Court because we can't say no to it. And then we're going to add around 4 to 6 tablespoons of milk into this, and I'm going to add the remaining milk in just some time. Kalwanji in general is really good for you. I told a lot of its benefits in my previous video. So it also gives a really good flavor, so there's no harm in adding kalwanji in food either way. And now we're going to cook this till the carrots are a little softened. अब अगर कैमरा फोकस कर ले तो मैं आपको यहाँ दिखा दूँ कि दूध डालने के बाद I put a lid on top of it, and now this mixture is all cooked, and I'm going to be adding around 4 medium-sized, almost boiled ही कहेंगे, potatoes into this. Like I showed previously that the way I just crushed them with a fork, and आलू जो है ना वो पूरे तरीके से पक नहीं जाने चाहिए. They need to be a little raw ताकि हल्का सा उसमें ना एक texture आ जाए. Now I'm going to add around 3 nuggets into this, and we're going to move on and cook that for like 2 minutes. And now we're going to move on into its assembling. I took around a handful of fresh coriander, and I added it into the cooled mixture. I put it aside for some time for it to cool down, and now I'm going to mix everything up really nicely. Now traditional Arabic जो खाना है this recipe. My grandmother used to make it for us when we were younger. तो उसके अंदर मीट और राइस दोनों डलते हैं, मगर बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी मेड अ मीट डिश आई डिसाइडेड नॉट टू ऐड अ लॉट ऑफ मीट इनटू दिस बट ऐड सम वेजिटेबल्स, बिकॉज सिस्टम के अंदर वेजिटेबल्स भी जाना ज़रूरी होती हैं. नाउ एज यू कैन सी कैबेज जो है मैंने निकाल लिया था, उसको ड्रेन भी कर लिया था, और दे हैव स्लाइटली गॉन अ लिटिल ट्रांसलूसेंट. दैट्स व्हाट यू वांट, क्योंकि वो बहुत हार्ड होंगे वरना, तो यू वांट टू सॉफ्टन इट अप अ लिटिल बिट. Now I took like a tablespoon measure and I scooped a tablespoon of the mixture, and now I'm adding some mozzarella and some cheddar cubes into this. This is entirely optional. If you don't want to, you don't have to. I just added it because हमारे घर में चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा खाई जाती है, हमें बहुत पसंद है, and that is literally what you need to do. So I did that with the remaining oil, and I just cooked them in a pan with a little bit of oil, and once that oil is cooked, you are ready to serve your food. Now this is a very delicious recipe. My mom really loved it, so if you all enjoyed this video, do try it out and tell me how you guys liked it, and in the future I'll show you some of more of my recipes. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Khuda Hafiz.